Good morning, I am Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. I hope you're doing well today. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe and warm. And today I'm working on Junk Journal January 2025, number 25, which is, number 26, which is movement. Now I found these dancers, which shows a lot of movement. And I also found this owl in flight and this hummingbird in flight. And I'm going to try to combine them somehow. I like the hummingbird better than the owl, but the owl probably fits better. So I have to find my page that I'm going to use. It needs to be a bigger page. So I guess we'll use this one. And then I need to cut this out so it fits onto the page. I may end up cutting some of the people's arms or legs off, but I still think we'll get the idea that it is, that these people are movement. I mean, they look like they move all the time. Look at their muscles. Alright, so this hummingbird, unfortunately, as beautiful as it is just too big for my page. So I found these sticker birds, and I'm going to put the owl kind of like this right there. I thought this bird might look cute, like landing on her arm, like that. And then if I want to, I can cut around these birds and put them on there, like maybe on his hand, but I don't want to cover up any faces, so that's what I'm worrying about. But I can put these two on for sure, and then we'll figure out if we want to put the little stickers on. So I have to make sure also that this is the same size as my page. I think it's a little bigger, but I'm going to just take off a little bit off the bottom, and we'll go from there. I want to make sure it's straight. We're going to do that. I'm going to put all my elements on before I glue it down. I think that would be the best bet, because then I can get a good cut on the birds if I need to. So let's get this out of here. The owl is going to go on just like this. So we're basically only going to see one wing, but we know he's in flight. Am I filming? Yes. Okay. Let's get a glue paper out and glue on the owl. Move my little bird stickers out of the way. And let's glue him on. How are you guys doing today? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you're doing well. Let's see. We're going to put the arm or the wing just like that. Oh, a little bit wrinkled. It's a little wrinkle right there. That's okay. Now I'm going to trim this off. This is kind of like glue booking collage style. Okay, and now this sticker was going to go right on her arm, so I will be cutting off some of his wing. You could put it like that, but then too much of his wing is cut off. So we'll put him on her arm, and cut off what we need to cut off. There. Now really, we're only cutting off this little snippet right here. I think this is showing movement really well. Now what I'm going to do is cut around. I feel like this one is too colorful for this kind of black and white composition, but I thought maybe we could put this one on somebody else's hand. There, if I put it there, it's not covering anybody's face up. So Let's try to, this one is going to be hard to cut out though, because it's so skinny. I'm not even going to attempt to cut out each leg separately. The tail is very thin too. I could suppose I don't have to add this third bird here, but I thought it would be fun. Now this is the hard part. Oops, I already cut into the leg, or the tail. Oh my goodness. There. I can't get totally around it. Some of the white is still going to show, unfortunately. I suppose I could put some blue ink over it. Maybe I should try that. Why isn't that little piece coming out? There we go. I feel like I can get that just a little bit better. And I think maybe I'll put some blue ink on that. Hopefully I won't be ruining it. Maybe I can just cut it a little bit more. Oh, that's not so bad. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. See? Now, if I can't get the backing off, I'll just glue it. Got the backing off, and so I think I'm going to put this bird right in her hand, right there, and there it is. I think it looks cute. The people are moving, the birds are moving, and that's movement for you. So let's go ahead and glue it down right on here, and then we'll call it done. I only did it one prompt for this one, so there we go. This was, what did I say? 26? Yep, 26 movement. I think I'll get a white marker or a white pen and just write that number on here. Okay. Get this down. I think it's still a little bigger than my page, but we'll live with that. Just a little bit at the top, but I'm not cutting that off because I don't want to cut any more of the owl off. Alright, and now my white marker, where is it? 26. I know I just said it was 26, but I want to double check. Make sure this is coming out. Okay. 26. Movement. Alright. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for number 27, or perhaps I will combine something crumpled and sealed. That sounds like they would be good together, but who knows what I'll come up with. But yes, so thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Don't forget to check out my Ko-fi page to get your free vintage downloadable printables that actually are my own personal family heirloom letters, receipts, and documents. And thanks so much. Bye-bye.